Okay, Bill. Here is your 636 SA sitting on my 48 L134. Looking pretty good. Down inside, she's nice and dry. Yes, sir. Alrighty, let's go ahead and fire it up. That's what you see. Okay, float is set correctly. There's no dripping. Really good there. Look at some numbers. Right. Final RPM right now about 680. Fuel pressure's almost 3. That's 2.75. Vacuum, I've got her set at about 23 right now. And there's my dwell at 42. Go ahead and pull her through a couple more times so you can see. No stumble. No drips, no runs, no errors. Nice and dry. Okay. I think you're going to like it.